This video describes the pre-operation inspection, starting, and stopping of the P3200iE generator. Always perform the recommended pre-operation inspections before each use and when removing the generator from storage. If inspection reveals any concerns, service the generator promptly or visit your authorized Polaris dealer. Ensure the generator is on a flat level surface to prevent spills or tip over. Next, inspect the engine oil level. Loosen the two maintenance cover fasteners and remove the cover. Then remove the oil filler cap with dipstick and wipe clean. Insert the dipstick into the filler neck without screwing it in. Remove the dipstick and inspect the oil level. Add oil as needed with the included funnel until oil reaches the upper mark on the dipstick. New generators will be shipped without oil. Reinstall the dipstick and wipe up any residual oil. Reinstall the maintenance cover and tighten the fasteners until fully seated. In a well-ventilated area, check the fuel level and add as needed. First, remove the fuel tank cap. Then, carefully add fuel as needed. Do not fill above the upper mark and use caution when handling gasoline. Tighten the fuel cap securely. Inspect the exhaust system for leakage. Tighten or replace the gasket if needed. Remove any debris, especially near the hot exhaust system. After completing the pre-operation inspection, you can start your generator. First, ensure the generator is outdoors in a well-ventilated area and that the battery is fully charged. Unplug all power cords and extension cords from the generator. Then, position the fuel valve switch to the on position. To start the generator using electric start, push the ignition switch to the start position. The switch will default back to the run position. To start the generator using the recoil, lightly pull the starter recoil grip until resistance is felt. Then, firmly pull straight out. Return it gently to prevent damage to the starter. The generator also can be started with remote start. Reference your owner's manual or our video on key fob pairing and use. In case of emergency, turn the ignition switch to the off position to stop the engine. Continually stopping the generator with a load applied can lead to damage of the control module. Under normal conditions, perform the following procedure to shut off the generator. Shut off and disconnect all appliances connected to the generator. Turn the ignition switch to off. Then turn the fuel valve switch to off. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit polarispower.com.